everyone, I'm Razwan from mammoth-interactive.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use if statements in Android Studio. Just so you know, there's a 10 hours free course about coding in the description, but for now we're just going to go to Android Studio, which I assume that you already have installed, and we're going to go in the project view right here in the main activity, and then we're going to close this right away. And we have to set up some variables first. We have a number that we're gonna set it equal to 98 and a string which we're gonna say is equal to this number is, and we're gonna complete the sentence as we go in our program. So we have our first if statement over here. We're gonna check if the number is greater than 95 and we're gonna display a message. Now notice that I'm using plus equals because I just want to add up to my initial string over here. I'm gonna say greater than 95. Okay, and then I'm just gonna build another if statement over here inside the if statement that we already have, and I'm gonna check if our number is lower than 100. So I'm just gonna copy this message over here and I'm gonna adjust it. So I'm just saying and it's lower than 100. Okay, and now just right now I'm gonna display it on the screen using a toast message, and I'm gonna pass our message as a parameter, and I'm running the emulator right now to show this on the screen. So I'm just zooming in and it says that this number is greater than 95 and it's lower than 100, exactly what we expected. And right now we're just gonna go and I'm gonna show you a quicker way to do this um, to do this operation without using the nested if statements. So I'm just gonna copy this condition over here. I'm gonna put it over here by using the AND operator, and so we're just checking if our number is between 95 and 100, and we can just get this message over here and display it only in one statement, so only in one line of code, removing this if statement that we have over here. So we can do the same thing in this case without if statements, and it's much easier, but most of the time you will need if statements, and so you will have to just write them right away. Okay, and I'm just gonna show this by running the emulator again, and you're gonna see what happens right now. It's basically gonna be the same message as before, but it's just writing the program in fewer lines of code, and it's much easier to understand. So right now we know how to use nested if statements in Android Studio. You can go on mammoth-interactive.com to check our projects, and if you haven't already, you can go and see the 10 hours course about coding that we have for free in the description. Thank you for watching.